What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. If you guys are new to my channel, I go by Jay Zapata the Barber. But as far as this video goes, you guys, I will be showing you guys something really special. Because just recently I ended up switching up my fading technique, and this new technique works really good at improving your speed and also just giving a great quality haircut at the same time. So make sure you guys stick around and watch the whole entire video. That way you guys could see my new technique and hopefully learn something new. But of course, for this haircut I will be doing a comb over, and here, as you guys can see, I am sectioning off the top, just finding his natural hard part and making sure that I clip away the top. That way I'm not tempted to cut or accidentally cut the top. So here I am using my cordless seniors with the number 1.5 guard with the lever all the way open, and I'm gonna just go in to create a guideline by removing the bulk. So now that we got the bulk all removed and we could actually see what we're working with, I'm gonna go ahead and start to create my bald guideline. So I know you guys are probably thinking like, hey George, like these are your usual steps, you know? I thought you said you switched it up, you know? Like, but just be patient. Once I bring in the wall 5-star seniors again, you guys will notice the change in my steps. Alright, so now to begin the fade process, this part is still the same. I'm going to go in with the no guard with the lever all the way open and just go ahead and create a guideline by going up about 1 inch. Also, if you guys are having trouble getting rid of that bottom line, with the one that you leave with the shaver, this is a great way to go ahead and eliminate that. Just grab your trimmers, whatever you use to mark your bald guideline, and just simply flick up about 1/4 of an inch just to help out blend in that line with your cordless seniors. So now here to go ahead and get rid of the bottom line, I'm going to be working in 3 different sections. I'm going to be working in one section being the left side, one section being the back, and one section being the right side. So here working on the left side, I have the lever all the way closed, and I'm going to start flicking up, going up about 1/4 of an inch, and then opening my lever halfway to go ahead and get rid of that bottom line. And as you guys can notice, I am constantly opening and closing the lever just to go ahead and make sure that I get rid of the bottom line. So now I'm going to start to work on the back, and we're using the exact same steps. You're going to go ahead and get rid of the bottom line on the back side. Alright, so now I have my number 1 guard with the lever all the way closed, and we're going to go ahead and create a new guideline by going up about another inch. And for this part, you do want to make sure you guys go around the whole entire head. So now here I'm actually going to go ahead and start to down fade with the half guard. I'm going to go ahead and start off with the lever all the way open and then go switch off to a halfway and then all the way closed to go ahead and get rid of that bottom line. And once again, I am working in sections, so I'm going to make sure that the left side is completely blended out before I move on to the next part, which is the back. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and start to clipper over comb, but first I am going to go ahead and wet my client's hair with water just to go ahead and find his part once again. That way I know exactly what section I do need to clipper over comb. That way I start to blend in the fade to the top. So now I'm going to go ahead and try to blend in the side as much as I can with the clipper over comb. And I do have my clipper at a no guard with the lever all the way open position. So now if the clipper over comb doesn't fully remove the bottom line, I'm going to go ahead and reattach my number 1 guard, and using the lever all the way open, I'm just going to go ahead and flick out just to go ahead and help that transition and help it blend out a lot better. So now that the fade is complete, now the next part I always like to do is go ahead and create that hard part. With the hard part, I find it easier to go ahead and flip my clipper upside down, and little by little I'm going to go ahead and start to create that hard part. Now when cutting the top with scissors, you want to make sure that your client's hair is nice and wet. When it's super wet, it makes it a lot easier for your scissors to glide through the hair. just like the fade, I like to split up the top in 3 different sections. My left side is gonna be the longest point of the top, and the right side should be the shortest part. And really it should all taper out to go ahead and meet with the right. Now whenever you're dealing with the comb over, it's very important that you guys learn how to style the hair, just because styling your client's hair is going to give it that extra touch to your customer's experience. And once they see their hair styled nice and neat, they're going to love their haircut even more, and they're going to thank you for it. And they're also going to just look super fresh. So make sure you guys are styling your client's hair. But that's pretty much it for the haircut, you guys. My client looks super fresh, super clean. But if you guys ended up liking this video, please go ahead and hit that thumbs up. Also, if you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And also hit that bell button on the side, just so you guys are notified when I post a new video. But once again, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and then I'll see you guys on the next one.